If self is so important that understanding the true nature of self is one that brings you from, one that eradicates all the sufferings and ignorance, is one that brings you the ultimate peace, the nirvana, we definitely need to know what is this, right? So we start to question. And that's exactly what Buddha did. And he taught about that. So it's completely accepted idea that I exist without any questioning, without challenging, right? We just go with it. We just follow that. We never question that, but we try to protect it. Instead of questioning it, we try to protect it without exactly knowing what it is. But when we protect it, we have a strong feeling. We protect with the, and we know that when we feel that we are threatened by others or we are embarrassed by others, we can have strong emotions. So that's how we are protecting it. But here, what Buddha did is that, wait a moment, let's find out. You're protecting it so much, but what are you protecting? We need to know that first. So now we are digging in to know what is that I that we so dearly protect and do everything, anything for that.